Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this video, you will learn how to set up eBay business accounts. Now, what is eBay business account in the first place? Well, to get into it, you have to go to eBay slash seller center slash eBay for business to get to understand it well. Seller Hub offers everything you need to build and grow your business on eBay. With it, you have access to a variety of tools that will help you manage your orders, download the detailed reports, and more. You have a great price badge which will be attached to your account to show off to people that you are verified somehow. You will have verified rights owner program, and you will have a third party providers that could help you through the process. Now, this thing is currently not available for everyone. You will get it just by email and them the one who are going to send you. So here, for example, to stay in touch with them, subscribe for a weekly dose of everything you need to start, run, and grow your business. Here you receive a monthly bulletin with the latest and greatest insane sources in the info. But in general, you cannot right now get the access to it unless you have already like a real business working on eBay. You are making profit. You really have a good feedback and high ratings, and basically your account is verified as a good seller. In case you are new and random, this will not very be the fitting for you. But in general, this is a place that you can go and search for eBay business. This is the page where you can learn about it, and actually you can have a lot of new information that you never knew about this platform and program and how to get into it. So make sure to check it out by yourselves and understand it and get to know what things you must complete in order to get into this. Basically, this like, what do we call it? This business class, or basically this VIP account. You can call it whatever you want, but yeah, it is very hard to get it. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.